I'm gonna piss on his grave.
Tell everybody where you from.
Shit. Uptown, College Hill, Cincinnati, Ohio, you feel me? Nasty natty.
Uptown, College Hill.
You feel me?
And you know what? Cincinnati bring a strong flavor to the game, you know.
Even though people don't understand that, you know, so we got our own sound, but we just ain't got a flashlight. I'm gonna be the one to put a flashlight on the city. Watch.
Yeah, definitely. And you know, I want to know, you know, so how long you been in the game? How long you been writing?
Well, listen, I ain't gonna lie. I used to always write little raps when I was younger and shit. You know, little funny shit, but you know, it was bars to me when I was younger. But when I was like 16, I just started writing, you know what I'm saying? Like, not serious, I catch a little type beat, I'll write, you know what I'm saying? I still got my old notebook to this day, you know? And then it just started, I started really taking it serious, started recording in 2019. I thought I got released from jail for the first time. Like, one of the OGs in there, he told me, like, man, you need to do something with it, so I did something.
Okay, so,
True spit.
Tell everyone.